In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete comments in Google Sheets. Comments are essential for teamwork, but they can get messy fast. By the end, you'll know the clean, simple way to add them, resolve them when tasks are done, and permanently delete them when they're no longer needed, so your sheets stay clear and focused. To add a comment, open your sheet and point to the exact cell you want to discuss. Right-click that cell and choose Comment. A small box appears next to your sheet. Type your note, then click the blue comment button to post it. When it's posted, you'll notice a tiny orange triangle in the upper right corner of the cell. That triangle is your visual cue that there's a conversation attached. Hover over or click the cell to open the thread and read or reply. Using that marker makes it easy to scan your sheet and quickly spot where discussions are happening. When a comment has been addressed, you have two different endings to choose from, and they mean very different things. If you click the check mark at the top of the comment thread, you resolve it. Resolving hides the thread from the sheet, so your grid stays tidy, but it doesn't erase anything. The entire exchange remains in the record, so you can come back later and see what was decided. This is ideal when you want to keep a traceable history without visual clutter. Sometimes, though, you don't want a thread hanging around at all. Maybe it's a duplicate, off-topic, or contains information you no longer need. In that case, open the comment, click the three dots in the corner of the box, and select Delete. Delete removes the thread from the sheet and from your history, so use it when you truly want it gone. Over time, a busy sheet can accumulate dozens of comments across many cells. Instead of hunting for triangles one by one, use the comment history at the top of the window. Click the icon that looks like a speech bubble to open a panel with every comment ever made on that file. You can scan through the list, jump to a thread, resolve what's done, and delete the ones you no longer need with a single click. This view includes both active and resolved conversations, so nothing gets lost, and it's the fastest way to clean house after a project wraps. Quick tip as you work: write comments that are short, specific, and actionable. Resolve when the task is complete so context stays available, and reserve delete for clutter you're sure you won't need again. That's all you need to confidently add, resolve, and delete comments in Google Sheets, keeping your collaboration clear and your sheet clean.